Okay. Okay, so I had a Makita drill for like 10 years and it crapped out on me. So I needed another drill. I didn't want to spend $250 for a drill. So I went ahead and ordered me a Popo Man drill. I guess it's made in China. But here I am, I'm gonna unbox it for y'all.
Yes, it's made in China?
I already took it out from the Amazon box, and here's what came out of it. Popo Man. I paid $75 and some change for this drill. If I were to get a DeWalt or any other high name brand, it would have been about $250. This is a brushless drill. It's a new kind of brushless motor drill. Alright, looks like it comes with a nice case. Carrying case. User manual. And here's the drill itself. Wow, it looks pretty sturdy. It feels like a Makita or a DeWalt, because I have a DeWalt also that I use for work. This is not a hammer drill, it's just a regular drill. It has the torque settings. It has 21 torque settings. And it comes with a little screwdriver set kit here. This is probably about $10, $12 at Walmart or something. Pretty cool. And it comes with a belt clip. This little clip you can hang on your belt. It goes on the side of the drill. You can hang that on your belt. It comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries. Wow, look at that. 2 batteries. Lithium-ion. 20 volts. Pretty powerful. And the charger, okay? Comes with the charger. And I do a lot of work at home. So if you come back in a month or 2 and ask me how this worked out, I will let you know. Also, there's a 2-year manufacturer warranty. Anything goes wrong with it, email them. They'll replace it for free. There you go. See ya.